Ebi Dr. Annette Kezabu omuhango Obwegyese kandi omwe ahabatandikireho Association Age ya Sheema University Students Association abigambire wabire na bugana habeji ahamwe n'eminyeto
sente za association ukaburaho na sente naro kazoma office ngago ke sente utazanjure narishi ukagobeza abantu bana miringo tarukushana kintu kintagurite n'ikintu kikuru munonga umuntu no yakoine bwenge kwingana cyo mutwe nabo yakubana abasakuza kwezi konka yabatini integrity nabona hika kwezi nashisha yo
integrity deficit nureba umuntu as young as you are ugezeho kudiringana wowe utekateka ngo no muntu ariyo na imagine ngani muto aine opportunity yo gukora koko kiza kumwengeginga oshanga ahera hurire konko munda ashuzire
umukoro gugukorirwe ahambuge nkoro eza Emmanuel Church omekabohe aho abahangu bonjire bakabangura beji ahabyine kubombeka.
We said levels, bonding, bridging, linking. Now the tenets of social capital. One is networks. How dense are your networks? First of all, inabanywana bangahi naro inemekagwengahi naraba emekagoyasho yorukumanyi iwa garchiro okafukura mazabaga ago nengahi. So that is networking. But networking amongst your peers, networking with people who matter, and networking with people who you can link you up.
Employers, what we are looking out for is not that glamorous first class paper. You was one of my students and by the grace of God VC, I got a first class. Into Mukama Sing. At when I in office, never go across a quality. You see what we are looking out for are not first class degrees. What can you do other than what I see on paper?
Kwari Jean Nicolas omukoro mu logistics omu KCCA nagira ngo okuba omwebembezi tikintu ekichemerire kumwebesa okumanya ngo akiri omweji.
Student leadership abazamu kuya first of all makoza trading action akwati imwe just unfortunate wasanga leader kandi umwe past degree ngano barte ngano yafuna rteki kandi leader wachi wa Sheema students
to be broader than what you pick from class. And therefore, when you unite yourselves under the Sheema United Students Association, it should be for the positive cause.
Abebembezi obutaruga amaramwa bahirwe amagezi nebiroto ebyine kukora.
You have to put down your selfish ideas, your selfish wants, and work for the people. You work for the students that have elected you.
Tuiza standike gukora hebigezo ebituraga abeje abandi abariro mashomeraga hansi kugira ngo nkasusa tukore examinations tuzigabire om secondary schools.
Amakaraga gasha kwa Gerald Tugume awa Sky TV omuri Sheema.